Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf Arifin. So today our group 2, will make our presentation for PBL2 on our system, which is the health monitoring system. Our group consists of 4 members. The first one is Muhammad Arif Izzuddin, matric number 281003. Nur Adriana, matric number 280002. Nur Akilah, matric number 279952, and me myself, Muhammad Ashraf, 279306. Now we will proceed to the first requirement in our system.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day to madam. My name is Nur Akilah binti Ahmad Fuad. My matric number is 279952. So I will present the requirement 1, which is set nursing schedule. So this is the sequence diagram for the analysis phase. So this is the set nursing schedule for the requirement 1. The set nursing schedule have 4 boundary, which is admin menu page, set nursing schedule page, edit set nursing schedule page, and list of applying change shift page. This also has 2 entities, which is schedule and staff, and have 1 controller, which is HMS controller. So for the basic flow, first the admin will click the set nursing schedule button, and the controller will send set nursing schedule button. It will send the set nursing schedule button to the controller, and the controller will get the schedule at the schedule entity. So the admin will be able to click the edit button to edit the schedule, and the controller will send the edit button. So the set nursing schedule page will send the edit button to the controller. The controller will display the edit set nursing schedule page. So the admin be able to change the shift at the schedule table. So after the admin have changed the schedule at the table, the admin will click the save button, and the edit set nursing schedule page will send save button to the controller, and the controller will update the schedule at the schedule entity. After that, the controller will display a notification to tell the user the schedule have been updated, and the user and the admin will click the confirm button to close the notification. After the admin have closed the notification, the controller will display the update set nursing schedule page. So for the alternative flow A1, which is list of applying change shift, if the admin didn't want to edit the schedule, the admin just want to see the list of the staff that want to change the shift, the admin will click list of applying change shift button at the edit set nursing schedule page, and this edit set nursing schedule page will send the button to the controller, and the controller will display the list of applying change shift page. So the controller will display the list of applying change shift page, and the controller will get the list of staff that applying at the staff entity, and the controller will display the list of staff that is applying, and so the admin can view the list of staff applying at the list of applying change shift page. So this is the design phase for the requirement 1. The difference between the design phase and the analysis phase, this design phase, these two, change shift and view list of staff, is not a method. This is the communication diagram for the requirement 1. This is the boundary, admin menu page, HMS controller, list of applying change shift page, edit set nursing schedule page, and set nursing schedule page, and has 2 entities, which is schedule and staff. So first, the admin will click the set schedule button at the admin menu page, and this admin menu page will send the button to the controller, and the controller will get the schedule at the entity schedule. So the controller will display the set schedule at the set nursing schedule page, and admin will edit the schedule at the set nursing schedule page. So the admin will click the edit button at the set nursing schedule page, and this page will send the edit button to the controller, and the controller will display the edit schedule at the edit set nursing schedule page, and the admin will change the shift at the table in the edit set nursing schedule page, and the admin will click the save button at this page, and this edit set nursing schedule page will send the save button to the controller, and the controller will update the schedule at the entity schedule. The controller will display a notification at this edit set nursing schedule page to tell the admin that the schedule has been updated at the schedule. So the admin will click the confirm button to close the notification. So the controller will close the notification at the edit set nursing schedule page. So the controller will display the updated schedule at the set nursing schedule page. For the alternative flow, the admin will click list of apply button at the edit set nursing schedule page. And this page will send list of apply button to the controller. So the controller will display the list of apply at the list of applying change shift page. And the controller will get the list of staff at the entity staff. And the controller will display the list of staff. So the admin can view the list of staff at the list of applying change shift page. Next, I will present the requirement 2, which is view nursing schedule. This requirement 2, this is the sequence diagram at the analysis phase. So for this view nursing schedule, has 3 boundary, which is staff menu page, view nursing schedule page, and apply change shift page. It also has one entity, which is schedule, and have a controller. So for the basic flow, first the staff will click the view nursing schedule button at the staff menu page, and the button will send to the controller, and the controller will give the schedule at the entity schedule, and the controller will display the view nursing schedule page, and the staff will click the apply change shift button at the view nursing schedule page, and will send the button to the controller, and the controller will display apply change shift page, and the staff can change the shift at the table at the apply change shift page, and the staff will click the apply button at the apply change shift page. After the staff have changed the shift at the table, the staff will click the apply button, and the button will send to the controller, and the controller will change the schedule at the entity. After the staff have clicked the apply button, the button will send to the controller, and the controller will update it or apply changes at the entity schedule, and the controller will display a notification to tell the staff that the changes have been applied, and the staff will click the confirm button to close the notification at the apply change shift page. And after the staff have clicked the close notification, the staff will view the nursing schedule page. So for this requirement 2 have exceptional flow, which is error message E1. If the staff want to change the shift, so the shift already full, the apply change shift page will send an error message to the controller, and the controller will display an error message at the apply change shift page. And the staff will click the confirm button, so the controller will display error message at the apply change shift page to tell the staff that they can change the shift. So the staff can click the confirm button, and this page will send the confirm button to the controller, and the controller will close the error message. So this is the design phase for the requirement 2. So the difference between the analysis phase and the design phase for this requirement 2, this change shift is not a method. This is a communication diagram for the design phase for the requirement 2. First, the staff will click the view schedule button at the staff menu page, and this page will send the view schedule button to the controller, and the controller will get the schedule at the schedule entity. So the controller will display the schedule at the view nursing schedule page. So the staff will click the apply change button at the view nursing schedule page, and this page will send the button to the controller. So the controller will display the changes at the apply change shift page. So the controller will display the changes of the schedule at the apply change shift page. So the staff can change the shift at the apply change shift page. So after the staff have changed the shift that they wanted, the staff can click the apply button at the apply change shift page, and this page will send the apply button to the controller, and the controller will apply the updated changes to the schedule entity. So after that, the controller will display a notification at the apply change shift page to tell the staff that the changes have been updated, and the staff will click the confirm button to close the notification. For the exceptional flow, if the staff want to change the shift, but the shift is already full and can't change the shift, the controller will display an error message to tell the staff that they cannot change the shift, and the staff will click the confirm button at the apply change shift page to close the notification.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Arifin Sudin. My metric number is 281003. I'm doing requirement 3, which is manage medication record. This is my sequence diagram, which is I have 5 boundary stand for admin menu page, medication record, edit medication record, add patient, view medication record. For the controller is HMS controller. My entity is medication record. For alternative flow, I've got 3. For A1 search, A2 edit, and A3 menu. Sequence diagram work when the staff select the manage medication record, and then it will go to request medication record to HMS controller, and then the system will display medication record, and then the staff will select the click button which is have alternative, and the system will send delete detailed medication record, and the system will get detail. From that, it will display delete detailed medication successfully. For the alternative one, the staff will select click add button, and the system will send add button, and then it will appear get info. From the get info, it will show display information. From that, staff will click save button, and then the system will send save button, then it will display save medication record, and then from that it will return to main page. For the A1 is search, the staff will click save button, the system will send the save button, and then it will appear the get info, and the system will display save information. And then for the A2 is edit, the staff will click edit, then the system will display information, and then the send edit button, and it will get details. After that, the system will appear display edit information. For the A3 is the staff click menu button, and then the system will go to the send menu button. After that, it will return to main page. So this is my communication diagram. The boundary is admin menu page, and then add patient, medication record, edit medication record. For the controller is HMS controller. For the entity is medication record. So the communication diagram start from here, stuff. So this is my design phase for sequence diagram. It will start with boundary first, admin menu page, and then it will medication record, and it will go to edit medication record, then add patient, view medication record, edit medication record, and then HMS controller, and it will end with my entity is medication record. The last one is design phase for collaboration diagram. It will start with the staff, and the boundary is admin menu page, and then it will go. We have the second boundary is a patient, medication record, and HMS controller, and last one is boundary medication record. This is my sequence diagram for the 1.4, which is I have 3 boundary. Stand for admin menu page, view medication stop, edit medication stop. For the controller is HMS controller. The entity is medication record. For the alternative flow, got the 3, A1 edit, A2 delete, and A3 menu. This sequence diagram start when the staff click the manage medication stop button. The system will send manage medication stop button, and then it will to retrieve medication stop. After that, system will display medication stop. Then staff will click add button. At this we have 3 alternatives. One is edit, 2 delete, and 3 menu. And then system will send add button. After that will appear get info medication, and the system will display medication stop, and it will return to main page. For the alternative one, the staff click edit button, and then it will send edit button, get info medication. After that, it will display medication stop, then the system will return to main page. For the alternative 2, delete, the staff click delete. After that, the system will send delete button, system get info medication, the system will display medication stop, and the last one is it will return to main page. For the last one is alternative 3, menu. The staff click menu button, and the system will send the menu button. After that, the system will return to main page. This is the analysis page collaboration diagram for the requirement form. This is the boundary, entity, medication record, controller, HMS controller, boundary, the medication. It will start with the staff. For the design page, this sequence diagram. For boundary is admin menu page, and the boundary view stop, medication stop, and edit medication stop, controller, HMS controller, the entity is medication record. This is design page for collaboration diagram. The boundary is admin menu page, entity is medication record, the controller is HMS controller, the boundary is edit medication stop.